This is the trio knockdown.
So long with my eyes on me.
This shot is called Shoot the Spray. Sorry, Spray.
Broken hearts on the city streets, but I can hear that you're calling me through the rain.
Blowing up some balloons. What do you mean? Oh, a balloon and a gun equals a pop. Let's do this. All right, there you go, Haley. And go! Ah! Yeah! 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 Whatever! Yeah! 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 Oh! I think the gun's broken. Maybe not. Well, you did slam it very hard. It's broken. It is? Here, take the camera. I mean, you can still shoot with it, but I mean, you can't close it up. Here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Haley is playing a game or something and stuff. So that took a very long time, but wait, there is more. Stay for some bloopers. Like and subscribe. Is that what you say? My sister would say that. Yeah, so bye. That's pretty much it. Yeah, look for the bloopers. Bloopers and behind the scenes. Da 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 da. We gotta get another balloon. Yeah, I gotta get another one. Oh, you hit my hand! Okay, here is an exclusive. Oh my God,